done with our exams. This is our outing. What are you eating? Pan kharelo. Did we get hate crime? I am super late. I'm trying to speed run this now. My package arrived at such a weird time. Children, I know you're watching this. I'm so sorry, okay?
Please just hear me out, please.
I am really trying my best. But I can't be like late and show up crusty. Honestly, I think I already look crusty. Let me just... Oh my... This never happens on other days. But the day that I need to be in time...
One eternity later.
I think this is the outfit.
Softly spoken, no strings tied. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously,
You can see I came here with
I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flashy
No, we'll be right on there. No? If this is the... I mean, don't lean on it.
Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know
We're gonna return now.
it's just my turn.
It's fun while it lasted.
Still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
After that exhilarating the trek. No. It was easy for the legs, but very difficult for the heart.
My hair has become so thin.